Sukui nage. Sukui is to scoop it up. I always think of scooping up rice, because that's what I used to have to do in Japan when I was a rice cooker. Usually here, coming in here. See how I grab here? This hand here comes around. Just pull this out, and there you go. In here, see how it comes around? And you see how I get right behind the knee. Look how the knee bends. And then this hand here is going to come right around behind the other knee here, and then it's going to pull forward. When you try to lift up, that's hard, right? It's going to come forward. See what happens? Hands come forward, the shoulder goes back. That way you don't have to have power. The history of this throw, okay? Katana, here. See, catch here, push here, in here, and then pow. That's how it's done on the battlefield when you're fighting. Good thing I don't have hair on my chest, right? If I'm here, I'm really off balance. Here I have to spread, then I can come down. Remember what I said, just get one. Here, knock this in here. Because when you try to go two, look at how far off you are. You're gonna bust this knee here. That's what's gonna happen. Why will that happen? I'll show you. Because when I come in here and I go like this, what's he gonna do? He's gonna push against me. Look at the knee, pressure that's on this knee. If you want to go all the way over, don't do a sukui nage, do a tani otoshi. So you have to be careful. You have to look at a position of strength. Sometimes more is dangerous. So don't be greedy. Now this is how you practice. If you sideways, and then bend your knees, and then this shoulder goes back. Pow. That's all you have to do. You notice you're not falling down? It's a waste of time every time they fall down and they gotta get up. So this is a kata practice. It's a routine of set patterns with focus on improvement. The ukemi on this is very simply Ushiro ukemi. When I come in here, you notice how he lets go? And then when I scoop up, I just let it, you see? Ushiro ukemi. Don't throw him, just push him and let him fall for this practice. It's safer that way. Jikakyo way. Mutual welfare and benefit. Take care of your partner and you will improve. Don't use any muscle. Just go in and just nudge them, and then the person who is being thrown the uke, go ahead and take your Ushiro ukemi. I remember the 10,000 rules about ukemi, right? Never ever let your head touch the mat, because that's a serious ouchie. Okay? Aidozo. Fine. Take turns. And of course, that's the Kihon no Kata, or the fundamental way of doing it. And there's all kinds of modifications to it. And that's the problem with a lot of places today. Judo, oh, let me show you this fancy move here, right? And they haven't even learned the fundamental way of doing it. In Japan, every day, we always started fundamentals first. And then you go ahead and knock yourself out and do all kinds of your bowl type of thing.
ありがとう